Let's start in the front of the mat. Left forearm behind your back. The other hand will hold your head. Right knee up. Inhale. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Inhale up. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Two more. Up. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Last one. Inhale up. Engage that core. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Keep the right knee up. Send the arms to the side. Warrior three. Send the front knee up and back to warrior three. Extend that leg long. Option to bring your hands to the mat. Inhale. And as you exhale, bend the knee and slowly start to bring yourself up. Inhale, completely up, right knee up. Exhale, find your crescent lunge, send the right leg back. One more inhale up, exhale, twist to the right arm back, the other arm forward. Inhale up, arms up, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, bring your arms up, and exhale, bring your hands to the mat, find your downward facing dog. And let's do the other side. Come to your toes, bend the knees, look forward, float to the front of the mat. Fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach with your arms to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Other side. Right foot is your base this time. Right hand behind your back. The other hand hold your head. Left knee up. Inhale. Exhale, elbow and knee. Inhale up, exhale, elbow and knee together. It's okay. And then two more. Elbow and knee. Up, inhale. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Bring your hands to the side and find your warrior three, sending the front foot, which is the left foot, up and back. Extend, extend, extend. Option hands onto the mat. Inhale. And as you exhale, you bend the knee and start to bring yourself up. Left knee up. Inhale. And as you exhale, find your crescent lunge. Send the left knee, left foot up and back. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Find your downward facing dog. Now heels in, toes out, mat distance apart. Bring your hands to your feet. Yogi squat. Let's start to meditate. Let's find a nice, comfortable seated pose. And just close your eyes or soften your gaze. Just connecting with yourself, connecting how you feel today, your body. And feel your breathing. Check how your breathing is affecting your body. And let's breathe together. Let's inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Feel the relaxation that comes after each exhale. And just stay for a moment here with yourself and silently repeat after me. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. It is time to come back. Move your shoulders, move your neck. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you.